5 little rainbow ducks went out to play. Red duck jumps into the pond. Splat! Orange duck slides down the hill. Whee! Yellow duck chases butterflies. Look at the sparkles! Green duck balances on a log. Good job! Purple duck blows bubbles. A heart! A star! A fish! All the ducks splash together. Red! Orange! Yellow! Green! Purple! All the pond friends join the fun. Round and round in a rainbow ring.
Who can make the biggest splash?
Walking high up on the rainbow bridge. Dancing with the stars. Dancing with the stars. Dancing with the stars. Let's count them. 2, 3, 4, 5. The sun goes down and the fireflies glow. Good night, little rainbow ducks. See you tomorrow. Thank you for playing with us.